Okay guys, I'm back with some more Fluttercoin stuff. Well, do a little kind of techy, not too techy. I've seen a couple of questions of people not being able to get some connections out to other wallets, so I figured I'd give a little tutorial on how to add some nodes. Pretty simple, straightforward. We'll get started with that. So what you want to do, once you ran Fluttercoin for the first time, close it. This is Windows 8.1 I'm on. Windows 8 may be a little different. Either way, you want to get to your File Explorer. You want to go to %apt app data DATA. Hit enter, and it should bring you right to where you need to go. Scroll on down, find your Fluttercoin directory. We want to create. There's probably already a fluttercoin.config file in there. You can edit, or you can create a new one. So I am going to create a new one. Okay. Open your favorite text editor. Now we got our fluttercoin.txt. Now the other step is to come over to fluttercoin.us. Scroll down to go to Chain Explorer. Select the middle one, Fluttercoin Blockchain Explorer. It's the easiest way to get the list. Okay, once you're on this page, you'll see Network right here in the center. Click on it. And the latest version is 7.5.15. Click Node List. And they've made it pretty simple for you. Control A to highlight all. Control C to copy. We'll come back over to your editor. Control V to paste. And now we have a node list. One thing you have to remember though, if you're not IVP6 capable, these funny looking addresses you'll have to get rid of. Mine is, but for demonstration I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay. File, save as fluttercoin.config. And I've had some instances where it didn't save right, so on your text editor, make sure you have all types selected so it doesn't append the .txt. So now we'll save that, and now we have our node list. We'll get out of there. Come back to your Fluttercoin directory, and it should show up as a config file. And now when you fire up Fluttercoin, you'll get a bunch of nodes, and it should help you connect. If it doesn't, you could message us on the fluttercointalk.com forums or on the Bitcoin. I'm sorry, is it BTC? Wow, I completely forgot the address. Yeah, bitcointalk.org forums. Look for the Fluttercoin. Post your problem there. We'll get right to you and help you. So that ends that. I'm going to show you a couple of other things. We'll come back to our add node. I myself don't need these because I run 3 other nodes locally and they all find each other pretty quickly. There's a few options. Oh, before I forget, the add node. will accept host names. By default, Fluttercoin does have DNS lookup turned on. So you should be good to go. And you can use mine. That's my Fluttercoin pool, mining pool, so feel free to use that. There's a couple other options you can actually use, depending on what you want to do. Let me see what... I had a list of stuff written down, but there's so much to it. There's one you might be interested in. It's Daemon. Is it Daemon equals true, I think? Let me look. Okay, yeah, Daemon equals 1. What this will do is it'll allow your client to accept incoming JSON RPC calls. If you have a website you want to integrate, this is one of the options you'd use. Server equals 1. Ooh. I'm pretty sure it doesn't do anything as far as communicating. I don't even think it's used by Fluttercoin. There's a couple others. RPC user. That will give you the username to connect to your daemon with. RPC password is the password to use. Okay. Here's a quick setup. I'll go ahead and remove this since we don't need it. At least in my testing I don't. If you do find a reason to need that, just leave me a comment or something. RPC allow is a good one to get in the habit of using. Okay. There's no quotes around this. You wouldn't use the asterisks at the, well, depending on your network, you would use the asterisks. If it did just this example, only one connection would be allowed to this machine, and that'd be the .1. Doing an asterisk, anyone on your entire network could access this machine's Fluttercoin wallet. So you probably don't want that, but it's up to you. You could add multiples. And so on, so on, so on. For now, we'll just leave it like that. And that's pretty much all you need to do to get up and running. The second half of this stuff, it will tell you to put in an RPC user and password if you use the Fluttercoin D program that comes with it. Not necessary for the Qt client or the desktop version. Okay, I think that's going to be it. I think next time I might go over like seed node connect, maybe how to set up some ports, stuff like that. So if you have any requests on how to properly use something, one of the options, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, sorry, I didn't realize the portion of the video actually didn't record right, so I'm pending this to the end of it. Where I said your first step is to come to Fluttercoin US, scroll down, come to Chain Explorer. Okay. You want to select the middle one, Fluttercoin Block Explorer. And that'll get you to where the video picks up. I apologize for that and having to append it to the end of it, so I thank you for your patience. I thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, donate. You'll see my QR code up there for Fluttercoin donations. Thank you much. Have a good evening.